Assalamualaikum class 6 students. In the previous lecture we completed chapter number 2 and now we are going to do its exercise. So let's begin. So first there is chapter review. It is the summary of those key points which we have read in the chapter. So let's read them first. Our body has 5 main sense organs. So we have 5 sense organs. Yes, we have. Eye is the sense organ of sight. Our ears are the organ for the sense of hearing. Skin is the organ for the sense of touch. The sense organ for smelling is the nose. The sense organ of taste is the tongue. Those 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, skin, nose and tongue. Next is the test preparation or the exercise. Write the proper term or word against each statement. It is the short definition or the key point of that topic which we have to write. It can feel the pressure. Which sense organ can feel the pressure? Skin can feel the pressure. So you will write here skin. Write here skin. The hole in the middle of the iris. Which is the hole in the middle of iris? We read it is pupil. Your pupil. Air enters the nose through it. These are the nostrils. Your nose holes, nose cavities. Carries signals from air to the brain. It is the auditory nerve. We read that cochlea and brain are connected through the auditory nerve. Next is present on our tongue. Nothing else is present on the tongue else of your taste buds. Here you will write taste buds. Next is answer the following questions in detail. So write, describe the structure of human eye. From the start of the chapter you write the eye and then you will write if there is any important line. We see with our eyes tell us about colors, shapes and movements of the objects around us. You skip this line and write from the eye is an organ of sight, and till then you will write this line and then you will draw this diagram and then you will write this whole topic: cornea, iris, lens, retina, optic nerve, and if you like then you can write the functioning of eye also, and if not, it is not necessary. Then comes the question: describe the structure and functioning of inner ear. Then open book page 19 and there you will see the inner ear heading, and write from the last part of the ear is the inner ear until the auditory nerve. Write its functioning also and draw its diagram also, and then you will end up with a long question. Write a note on the sense of smell. What is the sense organ for smelling? It is the nose. So write the topic nose. Here when you will open it, then leave this example. The sense organ for smelling is not start from here, and then write this all and then draw this diagram. There is no need to write interesting facts and do you knows, and then you will end up with a long question. What is the importance of our tongue? There is no need to write the structure of tongue, just write each taste bud has many nerve cells. When particles of food touch the taste buds, nerves send signals of the taste to the brain. We feel sweet, salty, sour and bitter tastes on different parts of our tongue until the end. And if it is a long question then you will write draw the diagram, and if not, it is a short question and then you will not draw the diagram. Then comes the question: write a note on your sense of touch. It is for the skin. The largest sense organ in our body is the skin. Write this whole topic and draw this diagram also. It is really very important, and no need to write the interesting facts and do you knows and the activities, and then you will complete with the question. Next is extend your thinking. What does happen? These are conceptual questions, so clear your concepts first and then solve these questions. What does happen to pupil of our eyes when we switch the lamp on? And the pupils react to the direct and immense light, immediate light. They contract or constrict. They shorten up. Sometimes, as a result of cold, the middle ear becomes filled with the fluid. Why do you think this can cause temporary loss of hearing? Because pinna will collect these sound waves, but they will not reach the eardrum. Those small sound waves which will reach the eardrum will listen to you, otherwise there will be no sound, and it is temporary loss of hearing. And when your cold will be gone, then you will be normal, then your ear will be in normal condition. What is the advantage of having a lens in the eye that can change its shape? If you do not have a flexible lens, then you will not be able to see far and near objects. You will be only able to see a same type of distance object. जो चीज़ एक ही जगह पे पड़ी होगी आपको सिर्फ वही नज़र आएगी. अगर वो चीज़ दूर चली जाएगी आपको वो भी नज़र नहीं आएगी, और अगर वो चीज़ आपके बहुत करीब आ जाएगी वो फिर भी आपको नज़र नहीं आएगी. Have you ever faced an injury of breaking your nail? Why is it so painful? As we have read before, that the tips of the fingers are the most sensitive areas. So when you break your nail, it is painful because the nerve cells there are very sensitive. Next is the concept map. So we will fill it, and they have given us terms. First is sense organs. Then olfactory nerve. Olfactory nerve is for nose. Taste buds are for tongue. Cochlea is for ears. Retina is for eyes. Largest sense organ is skin. You can leave these science projects, and if you are a lover of science, then you can read them also. They are very easy and are some laboratory projects. And then there is a yellow box, and it is important. All the sense organs are linked to the brain by the nerves. When we hear a bell ring, nerves carry us a signal to our brain. Our brain tells us that we are late for school. We must hurry. Our nerve signals are the emotions and feelings of us, and if they are not working, then we will have no sense or no emotions and no feelings. Our brain is like a big computer. Of course, it is a big computer and a perfect computer because it is made by Allah Almighty. It controls everything that our body does. Why do we think a healthy brain makes our senses better? Because our nerve signals will carry the signals to the brain, and if it is not able to detect them, how will we feel, or how will we react to our emotions? How can we keep our brain healthy? By eating brain health products. For example, nuts, dry nuts, walnuts, and almonds. Can mathematics and computer help us in this regard? Yes. As much you will use your brain, it will grow as much healthier and wealthier. You know that the wealth of learning is the only wealth that if you distribute it, then it will gain more. It will help you more. It will be more useful for you. So use your brain more and more and help others as you can. And till then, today our topic is completed, so I will meet you in my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, and stay home, stay safe, take care.